Racing just started. We have 9 de Febrero. First to show quickness at the start. Punchline, Friends of Doc, Tiffany's Beauty, Loretta, Nevada's Dream, Missouri outside, Hurricane Ali. Then comes Mirabal. Next online is Gifted Champa, while Brian's Girl was left behind. And going along for the first turn, we have Punchline by our length and a half. Right behind in second is 9 de Febrero. Down in third comes Nevada's Dream. Next online is Tiffany's Beauty. Moving up on the outside, Loretta. Down on the inside comes Friends of Doc. Mirabal comes next, Hurricane Ali. Basta, while Gifted Champ now racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Punchline. By about 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now on the outside is 9 de Febrero. Then in third comes Tiffany's Beauty. Loretta comes next. Zero the outside, Nevada's Dream. Next online is Mirabal, Hurricane Ali, Friends of Doc, Awasta, and Gifted Champ. And as they swing for home, we have 9 de Febrero by about half length. Punchline once again moving up down on the inside. Last 75 meters. We have 9 de Febrero. Punchline once again. Punchline 9 de Febrero. And finally is a close finish. Punchline 9 de Febrero. Then comes Loretta, Tiffany's Beauty, Mirabal, Friends of Doc.
Ganda.